In this video, we will talk about how to remove password from Windows 10. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Click on Accounts. Click on Sign in with a local account instead. Select Next. Here, you need to enter your Outlook password. If you're not sure about it, click on More Choices. Then select PIN and enter your PIN password. Add your new and confirmed password. Then password hint and click on Next. Click on Sign Out and Finish. Now sign in to your account by entering the old PIN or password we were using. Here, you can see we have a local account now. Now, click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type net space user space your username space double commas. Make sure to replace your username with your account name and press Enter. Now, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Here you can see Windows 10 is not asking for password anymore. So that's how you can remove password from Windows 10. See you in the next video.